Otto Erich Hartleben, 3 June 1864 – 11 February 1905, was a German poet and dramatist from Clausthal, known for his translation of Pierrot Lunaire. Childhood, education, and marriage. Orphaned as a child, Hartleben was brought up by his grandfather in Hanover. Among his youthful acquaintances there were Karl Hankel, Arthur Clausthal and the future industrialist and politician Alfred Hugenberg, and together they published a volume of poetry quartet in 1886. After completing his schooling in Celle in 1886 he went to study law, first in Leipzig, where he got to know Hermann Conradi and Adolf Bartels, and later in Berlin. He studied for the civil service in Stolberg, Harz, and in Magdeburg. Giving up his legal studies, he returned to Berlin, where he lived as a freelance writer, eventually moving to Munich in 1901. After the death of his grandfather in 1893, Hartleben inherited 80,000 marks and on 2 December, married his lifelong companion, ex-waitress Little Mop Selma Hess. Career. In 1900 he had a resounding success with his officer's tragedy Rosenmontag, Carnival Monday, which deals with an ill-fated affair between a simple girl and a young officer from an old military family. He used the proceeds to purchase the Villa Halkin in Salo on Lake Garda. Here he founded in 1903 the Halkin Academy for the Pure Sciences, which included among its members Peter Behrens, Otto Julius Bierbaum, Franz Blei, Gerhard Hauptmann, Alfred Kubin, Emil Orlik and Ferdinand Foll, and which boasted just 2 rules. 1. Membership of the Halkin Academy confers neither duties nor rights. 2. Everything else is governed by the spirit of the Halkin community. Letters. Hartleben's legendary reputation in turn-of-century letters is due chiefly to the many artistic groups he founded or contributed to, from the Bavarian Bohemian Beer Brotherhood at school in Celle, 1885, to the Menschen Club, a club for humans, in Magdeburg, 1890, the Carlsbad Idealists Club, 1891, the Verbrechertisch, Rogues Table, in Berlin, 1896, the Berlin Naturalists Society known as Durch, through the Berlin Drama Movement Freie Bühne, Free Stage, the Berlin Free Literary Society, the Leipzig Auguren College, not to mention the lively interest he took in the Friedrichshagener Dichterkreis, Friedrichshagen Poets Circle. Journalist. He also co-produced the weekly journal Die Jugend, Youth, in which he made humorous jibes at contemporary society and its morals. One of his key characters was Serenissimus, the gone-to-seed ruler of an imaginary peppercorn principality. Translator. He is especially noted today for his translations of other writers' poetic works, often improving the poetry of the original, in particular of Albert Girot's Pierrot Lunaire, which forms the Sprechstem text of Arnold Schoenberg's work of that name. Death. Hartleben died in Salo, Italy. Works. Studententagebuch, poetry, 1886. Die Serenii, stories, 1887. Angel, comedy, 1891. Hannah Jagert, comedy, 1893. Die Geschichte vom Abgerissen in Napf, stories, 1893. Eine Renwort, drama, 1894. Mein Vers, poetry, 1895. Vom Gastfreien Pastor, stories, 1895. Der Römische Maler, novella, 1898. Ein wahrhaft guter Mensch, comedy, 1899. Rosenmontag, tragedy, 1900. Von Reifenfrüchten. Meiner Vers Sweeter Tale, poetry, 1902. Lieb Kleinmama, stories, 1904. Diogenes, comedy, 1905. Im grünen Baumsernachtigel, Studentenstic, 1905. Das Ethifist, novella, 1906. Tagebuch 1906. Afrisman, edited by Van Dentreld 1920. External links. Encyclopedia Britannica, Otto Erich Hartleben.